how to use more and mada in Japanese.
Oi, boku-san! Mou tsuri shita?
So the first piece of language here, more, we can use in Japanese to express already. And it's used with the past tense form of verbs to express already doing that action. So like here, tsuri suru, to fish, tsuri shita, fished, mo tsuri shita, have already fished. Or hanasu, to talk, hanashita, talked, mo hanashita, we've already talked.
知ってるよ。もう何度かお話ししたもん。もう話したわよね。
So as you can see, it's a very useful piece of language to express you've already done something. もう学校に行きました。I've already gone to school. And so as you can see, of course, this can be used with both the casual form past tense and the polite form past tense. Here, 行きました。もう行きました。
もうよその学校に行きました。
Have you already seen it? もう見ましたか？
ええ、もう見ましたか？ごめんなさい。まだ。
And so now if you want to express that you have not yet done something, so the kind of polar opposite of more, here we have mada, to not do. This means that you still haven't done that action. So like here used with teinai, to not be in the state of doing something, mada miteinai. Or like seen here in the contracted speech, mada mitenai, I have not yet seen it.
昨日借りたビデオ、まだ見てないんだ。
Mada owatenai. It's still not yet finished.
気が早いな。まだ終わってないよ。
しかし、まだ終わっていません。最後の戦いが残っている。
And of course, the nai can also be used in the polite form, masen. So, mada owatteimasen.
まだ任務は終わっていません。でも、無事で何よりです。
So as you can see, these two pairs of language are really useful in kind of expressing the opposites. More plus the past tense, meaning that you already did it, or mada with teinai, meaning that you haven't yet done it.
なんでよ。もう私のことは十分話したはずだ。まだ十分じゃないよ。まだわかんないことだらけだし。
And because mada by itself just means still, you can use mada with a verb in the continuous form, teiru, to express that you're still doing that action. Mada tabeteiru, still eating. Mada hanashiteiru, still talking. Mada kakushiteiru, still hiding.
大佐、まだ俺に隠していることがあるのか？
おい、大丈夫か？
まあ、平気。あ、嘘。やっぱまだ混乱してる。
So that's a very nice quick video. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning some Japanese. As always, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and if you really love the video, come say hi on the Game Gengo Discord community. You can join that directly through either the Game Gengo website, or you can come join us on Patreon. As always, thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and I'll see you again in the next video. See ya.